This video walks you through how to check your TurboTax order status. If you are already signed in to TurboTax, begin from your tax home. This is the main area of your account where your current tax activity and account details are organized. If you are not sure where you are in the site, look for the section labeled Tax Home before moving forward, since the order or return status information in this process is found from that page. Once you are on Tax Home, scroll down until you reach the Resources section. Depending on your screen size or device, this section may appear farther down the page, so keep scrolling until you see the Resources heading clearly. The information you need is nested there rather than shown at the top of the page. Inside Resources, find the item labeled Tax Returns and Docs. When you see it, click it to expand that section. If it is already open, you can stay there and review what is shown. The key point is that the return and status details are displayed within this expanded area, so make sure the section is open before you continue. After that, look over the information displayed under Tax Returns and Docs. This area shows the current status tied to your TurboTax return information. What appears here depends on whether you have already filed a return through the account you are viewing. So take a moment to read the message on screen carefully. If your return has not been filed yet, TurboTax will display the message, "You have not filed your taxes with us yet." That message confirms there is no completed return currently on file in that account. If you were expecting to see a filed return, make sure you are signed in to the correct TurboTax account before going further, since return history only appears under the account where it was created and filed. Once you have filed a return, come back to the same Tax Returns and Docs section to access your completed tax return information. The process does not change. You return to Tax Home, scroll to Resources, expand Tax Returns and Docs, and then review the details shown there. This is where TurboTax provides access to the completed return information associated with your filed taxes. That means the same section serves both purposes. Before filing, it lets you confirm that no return has been filed yet. After filing, it becomes the place where you can view your completed tax return information. Watching the message in this section is what tells you the current status. Thanks for watching. You have now checked your TurboTax status in the Tax Returns and Docs section of Tax Home